Route 66, established 100 years ago in 1926 as part of the nation's first federal highway system. Tulsa, Oklahoma businessman Cyrus Avery spearheaded its creation. He advocated for the route from Chicago through Tulsa and on to Los Angeles. At the time, Tulsa was considered the petroleum oil capital of the world. He's known as the father of Route 66, recognized the need for a roadway to connect the Midwest with the growing West Coast. He championed the idea of a national highway. And so we have here the Cyrus Avery Monument. The centerpiece is a bronze sculpture called East Meets West. The scene highlights the old versus new, horse-drawn versus a modern car. In a Model T Ford we have Cyrus, his wife, his daughter, and their cat, encountering a horse-drawn wagon. The wagon ironically is loaded with oil-filled pipes and barrels. Here is another great stop, the Route 66 Historical Village. A towering 154-foot oil derrick, marking Tulsa's first oil strike, a fully restored locomotive steam engine, and a replica of the old Red Fork train depot. Check it out, you don't see these out in the wild very often. It's a great place to get up close with the real cars. Our next stop on the list is the Meadow Gold area. The historic Meadow Gold district, featuring the iconic Meadow Gold neon sign. Located between downtown and midtown, get a photo with Buck Adams' Cowboy.
Ponytail swaying in the night, twisting time dreams feeling right, record spinning, neon lights, jukebox magic, hearts take flight.
This is the Buck Adams gift shop. Have some snacks and a photo with the Buck Adams Cowgirl. And don't forget the Muffler Man. And Meadow Gold Mac, the friendly lumberjack on Route 66. Decopolis is a really cool toy store with various themed rooms, life-size dinosaurs, Harry Potter, and Star Wars items. They have trays of rocks, fossils, science gifts, and stuffed animals. Just a really fun place and something for everyone. Right off Route 66, you have to stop at the Boston Avenue United Methodist Church, located in downtown Tulsa, built in 1929. Is considered to be one of the finest examples of Art Deco architecture in the United States.
Can restore every twist and shout.
They offer self-guided tours anytime the building is open, or take a guided tour on Sundays just after 12 o'clock. The architecture doesn't disappoint, and the stained glass windows have been recently restored.
Dance floor burning, breaking rules. Living life, no minds to fool.
The architectural detail and incorporated statues are even better up close.
Living life as nothing seems. Making love, oh, how it beams. Always goes so it seems. Twist, baby, twist all night. Neon stars and moon so bright. Swan,
Take a little detour from Route 66. 2 blocks south of Route 66 you can see the Tulsa Driller in front of the Expo Square. While at the Expo Square there is likely some type of event, check the events calendar for events like the Tulsa State Fair, a car show, and maybe a rodeo or barrel racing. Are you getting hungry? You can't visit Route 66 without getting one of the biggest cinnamon rolls I've ever seen. Not only that, but Tally's has won awards for Best Route 66 Chicken Fried Steak, Best Breakfast Menu, Best Diner in the famous Fat Boy Cheeseburgers. I can't be certain of this, but I swear, one of the waitresses said her name was Flo. There are always local events. In the description I will add some links. Feel free to add some more in the comments for other places people may like to see. From March to November there is Buck Adams' Mashup Car Cruise. Then there is the Tulsa Tuesday Cruise, a weekly gathering of hot rods and classic cars. Or, you can always find a local car show like this one. And that wraps up this video of the Mother Road Route 66. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe so you can see where we go next.